Good afternoon, dear students. I am Dr. Apurva Biswas. My subject specialization is physical education. So you can easily understand that generally I take physical activity related classes and physical education also. I really enjoy physical education classes, physical activities like play with the students and with the faculty members and others also. But during this lockdown period, it will not be possible to conduct such classes. During these days, I will take some yoga class. Apart from yoga and sports, I will also teach first and second units of development and its characteristics. That is first half of childhood and growing up of B.Ed first semester. In the first unit, we learn growth and developmental pattern of learners, and in the second unit, we learn stages of development. And for BA honors, if you choose physical education as your optional subject, then you will get my classes. There are 2 papers in 2 semesters. There are 6 units in first semester and 5 in second, which includes foundation of physical education, exercise science, history of physical education, sports psychology, sports management in first semester, and health, fitness and wellness, lifestyle related health problems in India and its prevention, control and first aids, basic anatomy and exercise physiology, fourth, sports training and test, and fifth, measurement and evaluation in physical education in your second semester. I also take classes of third semester from both BA and B.Ed. Under my supervision, there are 2 scholars. One of my scholars named Madhusudan Bishwas is working on facilities provided and available in the primary schools. And another scholar, Mr. Uttam Kumar Mukhopadhyay, is working on academic stress and locus of control of athletes and non-athletes undergraduate students. Dear students, as you know, I have already given my brief introduction to you, and now it became known that I am your physical education teacher. So I will end my introductory session with meditation practice. So dear students, be prepare yourself. Prepare your mind at first. You have to prepare your mind to for the meditation. At first, you can sit down anywhere. I mean, you don't need to sit in a padasana or like this. You can sit in your comfortable position of your choice. You can sit on your bed, on a ground, and you can use a pillow or towel or something else also. You can also sit down on your chair as you are sitting over here. So at first you have to be relaxed. Your shoulders should be relaxed. You can put your hands wherever it fall down and in a relaxed position. Then you have to close your eyes like me. Everybody please participate with me. At first relax your shoulders like this. Then fall your hands wherever it falls down. It may be in your lap, maybe in your thigh, maybe in your table also, wherever you can feel you feel comfortable. Then I am keeping my hands, both hands together on my in my lap, and then close your eyes. Relax and keep your body straight and tall. Okay. Prepare your mind for the meditation. Prepare your body for the meditation. with a relaxed mood. Don't tight your jaw. Keep your jaw relaxed. Eye should be relaxed. Your mind should be relaxed. Okay. Okay. Now fall down your head to your forward. Don't jerk or don't give any kind of pressure. Just fall down. Keep it for some time. And come back slowly but steady. Slowly and steady. Come back. Keep your head behind and your nose should be towards sky. Again, slowly and steady, fall down your head in front of you. You may feel sleep, but don't hesitate. It's okay. Again, go back. Your nose towards sky. One more time. Front. And again back. Now bring back your head in a central position. Keep your spine straight and tall. Keep your hands relaxed, your jaw relaxed. Your skin should be relaxed. Mind should be relaxed. Now we'll do the same thing sidewise. Like at first, move your nose towards your left. And slowly come back and shift your nose towards your right. Again, slowly and steady towards your left. Remember, don't jerk, don't put pressure, just slowly try to do it. Again, take your nose towards your right. One more time, towards your left. Towards your right. and slowly come back to your central position. Don't open your eyes, keep your eyes closed. Be relaxed. Your body, your arms, your neck, your jaw, your skins, your eyes, your mind also should be in relaxed position. Your breath should be normal. Okay, now put your both hands on your belly, stomach. Just on your belly. Don't pressure it. Don't be stiff. Just relaxed and put your hands on your belly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And try to feel your breathing. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Again. Try to feel your breathing. Okay, now put your hands on your thigh or on your lap, wherever you feel comfortable. Put your hands there together, or you can put your hands on your thigh apart. A deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Try to concentrate on your breathing. Now your palms together in Anjali Mudra or in Namaskar Mudra. Breathe in, breathe out. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Don't open your eyes, close your eyes. Now rub your hands, rub your both palms. And put your palms on your eyes. A gentle pressure, put a gentle pressure on your eyes. Slowly come back and put your hands wherever you feel comfortable. Now slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. dear students, hope you enjoyed this session, and I hope that it gives you some energies bring back towards you. So thank you dear students.